Power up the machine, tap the menu button and scroll down using the arrows to select the Jowar Roti recipe. Jowar needs to be mixed with flour to make Jowar Roti, so choose the brand of flour that you will be using. To make Jowar Roti, add 1 1/3 cups of Jowar atta and 1 1/2 cups of compatible atta brand in a mixing bowl. Mix well and fill this mixture in the atta container. Replace the lid and the container. Click OK. Select the number of rotis you want and the roast level and press play.